We'll guide you through how to fix the screen recorder missing on an iPhone. If you find this useful, then consider subscribing and liking the video. Here we are on my iPhone, and so I want to go and screen record so I can go and capture what's happening on my iPhone screen. But if I go and drag down in the top right to open the control center, which is where you can go and access it, you can go and see that it's missing. So we'll guide you through how you can go and add it and fix it. So to get started, you can go and press the plus in the top left like this, and then the icons go and start shaking. You need to go down, and there at the bottom, you find the option for add a control. Now in here, we need to go and find screen recording. We can go and see that it's here. If you can't see it, use the search, type in screen recording and find it. Tap it and it will then add it. Tap some blank space and they'll stop shaking, and we can tap on it and go and start screen recording. That's it. Leave a like if you found this useful.